Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tutu Forex. Today I'll be teaching you on this latest strategy. This is a very simple strategy, and this strategy has been working for me. Yes, it has been tested and trusted. It's a very simple strategy that you use to catch spikes. You'll be able to use these strategies to catch spikes perfectly and get the perfect sniper entry. For those that have been asking how quick you enter the market, and these strategies for you is very simple and it's well detailed. You get it. So first thing first, I always say you identify the trend of the market. In crash, for you to be able to catch spikes, the trend needs to be in a downtrend, and a boom, the trend needs to be in an uptrend. Whenever the trend is in a downtrend, you should be looking for selling opportunities, and when price is in an uptrend, you should be looking for buying opportunities. This strategy is very simple, and it's not a strategy that will waste your time. It's just for you to see a simple confirmation before you make your entries. In the comment section in this my YouTube channel, the majority of the questions I see there is the zoom level. I think everyone have a problem setting your zoom level to know the perfect zoom level for you to trade with. You can see this is the list of all the levels. This is the lowest, so I'm going to count it, and you should also look at what I'm doing right now. This is the first level, the second, the third. So the third level is the level that I use to trade in boom and crash. You can see it. This is the level that I use. So I expect you guys to also use the same level. You get it. So for those of you that are interested, because I will always encourage you guys to have a mentor. It's not compulsory that I will be your mentor, but the most important thing is you need someone to guide you and give you the right materials for you to be trading perfectly. You get it. So if you're interested to be in my signal and mentorship channel, my contact is in the description below. You can always contact me. Just tell me you're interested in joining my signal and mentorship channel. You'll be added after that is after you've made your subscription payment, which is very low and cheap for everyone. I've always said it. I've made boom and crash easy for everyone to trade. So I will encourage you to watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video I'll be sharing with you these simple indicators. Good. Without wasting much of your time, let us go down to what we have here. So first of all, this is crash 1000. So this crash 1000, how are we going to trade it with this indicator? The indicator is simple. You just need to be looking at this black line and this awesome oscillator. You get it? So when this black line hits this level, this top level here, you will wait patiently for you to see these red candles that they are out. You get it? You will wait patiently to see that these red candles are out. Once these red candles are out, you take your trade. You get it? You take your trades. So if you take, what are you going to see? You're going to have this one spike to this empty space. There's another spike here. So in this forex market, you just have to be patient. Okay, you have to be patient. If you are not patient enough, you won't get what you want. Look at it right here. This black line, this moving average, I've hit the top level here, and you can see the red the red candles here are out already, and you can check out the specs that came. This is a very simple strategy. All my strategy, I make it very simple for everyone to understand, and make a good profit out of boom and crash. Boom and crash is not an asset whereby you start stressing yourself and using a lot of indicators that will confuse you. This is a very simple indicator that will ease your stress of catching spikes. You can see this black line has gotten to the top level here, and also check these red candles here out already, and of course you can see what we have here. 1, 2, 3 spikes. I'll be showing you more examples, more details examples. You can see this point, this black line has reached the highest point here. You can see that it has reached the highest point, and you can check down here. You can see that the red candles here, the red bars here are coming out already, and of course you can check out the specs that came. This is a very simple strategy, very simple, that you can use in trading, and within a short time double your account. This, just look at this black line, has gotten to the top level here, and check down here. You can see the red bars are out already. Look at the massive spikes. This is 1. Then look at the big spike that came. 2. Yeah, I'll show you an example. A lot of people, they also want to see how it works in Crash 500. Crash 500 and Boom 1000 are the same thing. There's no difference between Crash 500 and Crash 1000. Yeah, you can see it's the same thing. Just look at it here right now. This black indicator has reached the top level here, and you can see the awesome oscillator are out already. The red bars are out. Just take a look at the spikes. Just take a look at all the spikes. Imagine in this trade and you caught all the spikes. That's a huge profit for you. And you can see this right here. You can see this right here. You can see this. It has gotten to the top level. Just check the red bars are out. There's a whole lot of spikes there. This is a very simple strategy. Just take your time, practice with your demo, not with your real account. Practice with your demo before you start trading with your real account. And let me show you examples on Boom 500. So what do we have here in Boom 500? As I told you, Boom 500 is the opposite of crash. Boom is the opposite of crash. And in Boom, you need to also identify the trend of the market. That's the first thing you do whenever you open your chart. Identify the trend of the market from the higher time frame down. You scale down to the lower time frame and look for your entry opportunities. You need to see price is in an uptrend. Price is in an uptrend before the trading spikes. Yeah, that's when price in an uptrend. Be looking for buying opportunities. That's when you catching more spikes. You get it. So right now, just look at this here. You can see this indicator has gotten to the lowest level here, and you can see the green bars are out already. You can see the green bars. When you see this indicator is touching this to the downside here, just wait for the green bars to be out. You understand? Just wait for the green bars to be out. Once they're out, just take your trade, and you can see right here. Just take a look at all the spikes. Take a look at all the spikes, all of them. That's it. Awesome indicator. Very simple to understand, and it doesn't waste your time. Just look at this here. This indicator there. Then look at the green The green bars are out already. Just look at the spikes that came alongside with it. Just look at it. This is a very simple strategy. So let me quickly scale down to waters and also show you a good example. So I'll just look at this. When our indicator has gotten to the lowest level here, the green bars are out. Then just look at this huge spike. Just look at these spikes. A very simple indicator. Look at this here. Has gotten to the lowest level. The green bars are out. You can see these massive spikes. You can see that. So do I need to say more about this strategy? This strategy is awesome, powerful, and straightforward. It's just for you to be yourself, just practice with your demo account before you start trading with your real account. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. You get it? This is the settings for these simple indicators. You just navigate to this F symbol. Yeah, just go to your main window, look for awesome oscillator. You can see it. Just leave it on default, don't change anything, just click done. I have it here already, but I'm not going to add another one again. So what I'll do right now is, inside my indicator window one, I'll add moving average. I'll add a moving average. Moving average 5, period 5, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, and choose any color of your choice. Then click done. These are the two simple indicators that we are going to be using for this strategy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice trading. Bye.